The Toyota Corolla has always been known as one of the most reliable cars in the world. It is not built to impress with loud design or extreme performance numbers. Instead, the Corolla focuses on something far more important: consistency, durability, and everyday comfort. And at the heart of that experience lies the engine. Because no matter how modern the interior feels or how refined the exterior looks, the engine is what truly defines how the Corolla behaves on the road, every single day. Under the hood, the Toyota Corolla has been offered with multiple petrol engine options depending on market and generation. The most common ones include 1.3-liter, 1.5-liter, 1.6-liter, and 1.8-liter naturally aspirated engines, all built around Toyota's philosophy of smoothness and long-term reliability. These engines are not designed to chase big horsepower figures. Instead, they are tuned to deliver predictable power, low-stress operation, and excellent fuel efficiency. One of the first things you notice when you start the Corolla is how refined the engine feels. There is no harsh vibration, no aggressive sound, and no drama. The engine settles into a quiet idle, making it immediately clear that this car is designed for daily driving comfort. In city traffic, the Corolla engine feels calm and cooperative. Throttle response is smooth and power delivery is linear. You don't need to push the engine hard just to keep up with traffic. It responds naturally to your inputs, which makes driving easy, even for new drivers. The smaller engines like the 1.3-liter and 1.5-liter are clearly focused on efficiency. They are best suited for urban use, daily commuting, and relaxed driving. Acceleration is not fast, but it is steady and controlled. The engine never feels stressed, even in stop-and-go traffic. The larger engines, such as the 1.6-liter and 1.8-liter options, add a noticeable improvement in performance. Highway driving feels more confident, overtaking is easier, and the engine maintains speed effortlessly. Yet even with more power, the Corolla never feels aggressive or sporty. It remains composed, smooth, and easy to live with. Toyota's Dual VVT-i technology plays a key role in how these engines perform. By adjusting valve timing based on driving conditions, the engine balances power and efficiency seamlessly. This means better fuel economy at low speeds and more usable torque when needed. What stands out is how natural everything feels. There is no sudden surge of power, no turbo lag, and no unpredictable behavior. The Corolla engine builds speed gradually, which gives the driver confidence and control. When paired with a CVT automatic transmission, the Corolla becomes even smoother. Gear changes are virtually unnoticeable, and the engine stays relaxed at cruising speeds. This setup prioritizes fuel savings and comfort rather than excitement. On long drives, this calm behavior makes a big difference, reducing fatigue and noise inside the cabin. Manual transmission versions offer slightly more engagement, but even then the focus remains on smoothness rather than sportiness. Fuel economy is one of the Corolla engine's strongest qualities. Thanks to its simple, naturally aspirated design and efficient tuning, the Corolla delivers excellent mileage in real-world driving. This makes it an ideal choice for daily commuting, family use, and long-term ownership. Reliability is where the Corolla engine truly shines. Toyota engines are famous for lasting hundreds of thousands of kilometers with basic maintenance. Regular oil changes, good quality fuel, and timely servicing are usually enough to keep these engines running for years. The lack of complex turbocharging systems also means fewer components that can fail over time. This simplicity reduces maintenance costs and long-term stress for owners. Of course, the Corolla engine is not perfect for everyone. If you are looking for sharp acceleration, aggressive sound, or sporty character, this engine will feel too calm and reserved. But that is not what the Corolla is meant to be. In the end, the Toyota Corolla engine represents a very clear philosophy. It is not about speed, noise, or excitement. It is about trust, comfort, efficiency, and long-term peace of mind. This is an engine that works with the driver, not against them. It delivers smooth power, excellent fuel economy, and legendary reliability, day after day, year after year. And that is exactly why the Toyota Corolla continues to be one of the most trusted cars in the world.